C. G, g, g. C is for cat. The cat purrs when you pet it. It chases after mice. Cat. G, g, cat. C is for car. The car drives on the road. It takes us to different places. Car. G, g, car. C is for cake. The cake is sweet and delicious. We eat it for celebrations. Cake. G, g, cake. C is for cow. The cow gives us milk. It has spots on its body. Cow. G, g, cow. C is for crayon. The crayon comes in many colors. We use it to draw and color. Crayon. G, g, crayon. C is for cookie. The cookie is a tasty treat. It's often chocolate chip or sugar. Cookie. G, g, cookie. C is for cup. The cup holds our drinks. We use it for tea, milk, or juice. Cup. G, g, cup. C is for camera. The camera takes pictures. It captures memories. Camera. G, g, camera.